Bitcoin versus gold, the real wealth battle. For decades, gold has been the king of store of value assets. But in the last 15 years, Bitcoin has challenged that crown. Today, we're breaking down the real differences and what actually builds wealth faster. Gold is scarce, but the exact supply is unknown. More can still be mined. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is capped at 21 million. No more, no less. A fixed supply creates predictable value, something gold can't guarantee. Try moving $10 million in gold. You're dealing with trucks, security, and weeks. Bitcoin can be moved anywhere in the world in minutes with far lower friction. That portability gives Bitcoin a massive advantage in a digital economy. Gold can be cut, melted, or weighed, but not easily divided. Bitcoin can be split into 100 million units. That means anyone can own a fraction and use it instantly. To verify gold, you need experts, machines, and institutions. To verify Bitcoin, you just need the blockchain, transparent, automated, and trustless. One requires belief in people. The other requires belief in math. Gold protects wealth. Bitcoin multiplies it. In 50 years, gold has moved from $35 to around $2,000. Bitcoin went from fractions of a penny to tens of thousands. Gold is stability. Bitcoin is acceleration. Gold works for storage. Bitcoin works for storage and payment and global transfer. It's programmable, borderless, and built for the internet. Gold is the old world's wealth. Bitcoin is the new world's money. Both protect value, but only one scales with the future. If you want to hedge the past, gold works. If you want to ride the next financial era, Bitcoin leads the way.